Care and maintenance for the model 445FS PowerStapler. The model 445FS is a professional quality tool designed for installing a professional quality floor. With just a little attention to the maintenance of your tool, your PowerStapler will operate trouble-free and keep you running with a minimum of downtime. Unload staples from the staple channel after every use. Apply 3 to 4 drops of Mobile DTE Light Air Tool Oil into the air inlet after every 8 hours of use. Then reconnect the air. Dry fire the empty nailer 3 to 4 times to circulate applied oil throughout the nailer. Always connect air before loading the stapler. After connecting air, load staples into the staple channel. For continuous feed and trouble-free usage, always keep the staple channel full. After every use, visually inspect the stapler for loose or broken parts. Examine the trigger, the cap, the body, the adapter foot with pad, and the staple channel. Connect an air supply to check for any air leakage around the nailer cap. Use compressed air to blow away excess dirt or dust off the nailer. Wipe off tool with a clean, dry rag. Remember to drain your compressor regularly and to care and maintain your compressor according to manufacturer specifications.